Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Airtable account from free trial to a premium one. You can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the Airtable account. And after opening the Airtable account, as you can see, you have to open the workspace like this. If you are not opening the workspace, you need to simply click on the profile icon. And after clicking on the profile icon, you will get the upgrade option here. So you have to click on the upgrade option. And after clicking on the upgrade option, you will be able to see the different types of packages here. Now you have to choose that which package you want to buy. Currently I'm using the free one. If you want to buy the team one, you need to pay the $20, and in this package you will get these facilities here. As you can see, these all are mentioned here, like 50,000 records per base, 25,000 automation runs, and this is the business plan, $45, and you will get these things. And this is the enterprise scale. You will be able to get these things. You have to contact for that. So in this way you can upgrade your Airtable from free to premium. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.